Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures to help with a word, and your stretchy snake is when you stretch the sounds out slowly, you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Plant. P, L, and T. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Plant. P, L, and T. Good job, well done. So the book that we are going to be looking at this week is called The Stinky Plant. And girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. The Stinky Plant. The children were in the garden. "Come and smell this flower," said Mum. "It smells so sweet." "Look," said Wilf. "Insects like the smell of flowers too. Shall we go back in?" In Biff's room the key started to glow. It took them to a rainforest. A man was sitting on a tree trunk. He did not look happy. "What's the matter?" asked Wilma. "I am a botanist," said the man. "I collect plants. I am looking for the important plant. It's a flower. It has a strong smell." "But I have a bad cold," said the man. "I cannot smell at all." "We can help you," said Biff. The children began to sniff. Then Will said, "I smell something, and it is Stinky." "Me too," said Biff. "It stinks like rotten fish." "That is my flower," said the botanist. "Come on." As they got nearer, the stink got stronger and stronger. "What a fantastic flower," said the botanist. "What a pong," said Will. "Now we can all have a proper look at it," said the botanist. The key started to glow. "We have to go," said Biff. When they got back, Wilma said, "I can still smell that plant. Shall we go out in the garden and get rid of the pong?" They ran to the garden. "What is that smell?" said Mum. Now that I've finished reading the story, go all the way back to the beginning and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind this video and listen to me read it again, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the play button where they will read it to you. This week we are going to be doing something a little bit different, and your first task that you'll be doing is a word search. You will have a link on your class portfolio that will take you to your word search. Your word search will look like this, and to join the game you need to enter your name and press start. Once it is loaded, this is what your word search will look like, and you click start. Let's have a go at one together. Let's find where did the key take them, and all you need to find is the first letter. Rainforest. Click on the R and it will show the rainforest. Now you need to match the clue. Once you have completed the word search, send me a picture to show me that you have completed your task. Enjoy and have fun!